Alright guys, welcome to the video. Today we have a 1999 Honda CBR600 in for dismantle. We've gone through and checked and tested everything we can on this bike. Starts and runs quite nicely. Obviously the exterior leaves a little bit to be desired. It is a stolen and recovered bike. I believe they had it stolen from them, unfortunately, and they have claimed through insurance, and we have purchased through the insurance company. The bike does start and run nice, as I said. All the wheels do track true and straight. This one's got a few Ks on it. It's got some old feel in there as well, you can feel. This one does have a pipe on there. It does lack the proper mounting, unfortunately. These guys are crazy when they steal bikes. So as I said, everything's gone over and been checked. Forks are straight, front wheels track true and straight, rear wheel is straight. There is tread on the tyres as well. 1999 Honda CBR600 will be up for dismantle. All parts available on our website, bikesparesaustralia.com, in the coming weeks. Thanks.